What's the meaning of co-star? Co-star. Co-star.
Co-star. Co-star. Co-star is a term used to refer to an actor or actress who stars alongside another performer in a movie, television show, play, or other form of entertainment. It is typically used to describe the secondary lead or supporting actors in a production. Co-stars play important roles in contributing to the dynamic and chemistry of a performance, often serving as foils or complementary characters to the lead. They are also credited in the cast list and may receive recognition for their work alongside the main star.